Welcome to the Supreme HQs. You already know what's going on, baby. Signal was sent. Signal was sent. Signal was sent. No, I think we must show in our VIP group. Let's show in our VIP group.
Okay, so overall then,
What are the members saying? Talk to me.
They've secured also. They've secured.
You can see the signal was sent.
Yeah, they also locked their profits. Yeah.
You told them to lock me.
You told them to secure or lock their profit.
Yeah. So let me just highlight this trade real quick. What happened? Because I haven't catched up with you guys in a long time. So don't think we're not working. We're still doing what we specialize in. So the signal. At first we took a sell day, never. We had a sell day, and then our stop loss was somewhere around here. But as you can see, there was a little bit of stop hunting, manipulation happened there. And then some of the members were kicked out, man. And some still made money, right? I think you must show me that poll again, where you asked who got kicked out of the trade.
Just wait a bit.
Okay, let's just wait a bit for my brother to pull up the receipts. Okay. Yeah, we asked who is your SL kicked, and then 61 said yes, and 39% said no. So only 40% made money and 60% lost money, which was this drop here. So this drop here, we already anticipated it, right? So that's that. And then us personally, we didn't lose because of our account size. We kept some trades open,
Our account size is big. We don't have to put SL. We always close our trades manually. So
sure, we always close our trades manually. And then here, that's where we got another sniper, right? Because of this trend line, let me just highlight to you what's going on. You see this trend line? That's exactly how we picked up this sniper day. So we sent out the sniper, and then for those now who missed out on this drop, how many made money now, or how many caught the? Let's check out the poll.
Just wait a bit.
And Louis is also working, guys. We're also working. My brother Prince just woke up. He's doing a kitchen robbery there, but let him do his thing. So now
it's about 71%.
71% made money from this trade. So we're just glad that now I'm sure some of them who made money on the sell still made money on the buy. So yeah. Overall, today's Monday. All these days are the same.
Like Monday, like a lot bit crazy. The market it tends to move in
the market tends to be a little, you just take, on Mondays, we just take what we can get. That's what it is, So yeah, catch up with you in a bit.
A few moments later.
So Vele after TP, after securing the bag, these niggas wanna buy booze. Magz.
Yeah, I think it's here.
No, it's in the next one. These guys want. These niggas want booze. Yeah. This was not the plan. This was not the plan, bruv.
Just that thing.
This was not the plan.
Just that thing.
Like, why? Show man. What's up, Park? I was man.
The man can park, the man.
This is not the plan. Now I just wanted some few. What are those? Are those wines or something? Whatever. I just wanted one of those. This guy's now want to buy a whole stock. A whole stock once. Just too much. Next. On to the next one. Yo fam, what's up? Welcome back to Vussy Magz, you already know what it is. It's the boy, the trader, the finesse of the market. While I was away, I wasn't just chilling and not, not working or whatever. I was, I'm working on some stuff which I hope I can announce to y'all soon, right? So that's the thing. I wasn't just chilling. The members were eating. I was also eating. As you can see, I'm glowing here and a day and day. Okay. You feel me? So we're good. You feel me? So yeah, that's what I want to talk about. And also, the last but not last, I want to keep this video too long. You feel me? I want to talk about signals, right? Because a lot of y'all are requesting to join the VIP membership. So there's a couple of things you might want to know before you actually, before you actually join the group, and you say maybe I didn't expand on some other things and you were not misled. That's what I want us to clarify a couple of things, because I'm also getting feedback from y'all, and this is something we need to talk about. Alright, let's go. Alright, so the first things first, we all know not every signal is gonna win. You know what I'm saying? Not every signal is gonna win, and I'm just glad that you guys make money from my signals, right? You guys make money from my signals. I'm glad. That's the first part. But at the same time, the reason why I have signals isn't just to help you make money or whatever. I mean, that's one of the reasons, but I also want you guys to learn something from the markets, which is why I listen a lot to what you guys say back to me, right? So we know a signal might win, a signal might lose, but in the overall performance in a month or whatever, you're gonna gain a certain amount in percentages in terms of how much your account has, right? We understand that part. So now you guys need to understand that these niggas are throwing a party that other side of the house. So if there's noise, you gotta pardon me, right? Another thing is you're gonna get signals, probably 2 or 3 signals every day, about day. Sometimes when the market is too good, maybe we might get 5. We focus on NAS100 a lot these days, so that's where we're eating, right? I do have a recommended broker, another because the other time we were using Veracity, but now I'm using I kept an open mind and I registered with Trade 245, and they seem to be good now for the meantime. I don't know, so you guys can let me know how has Trade 245 been holding you guys down. If they are really that good, maybe I might reach out to them and see if we can work something out for y'all. You understand what I'm saying? So that's what I want y'all to actually let me know and stuff like that. And I'm gonna make a video on how to register with Trade 245. So also I want to know, which broker are you using, fam? Like which broker has been holding you down in terms of trading indices, because that's what we trade, right? And another thing before I leave, you feel me, we have a thingy, we have a special, because you guys have been showing the channel so much love. So the 30 days VIP signals and membership and whatever, it's only about 500 rands, right? 500 rands is like $35 or so. So for the rest of this week, it's extended because it was supposed to only last maybe until like Sunday from last week. The niggas in the Telegram public channel know. So if you didn't know, now you know. You can go ahead and follow the link. The first link in the comment section is going to be a link to Menlu, which is my trading partner. Menlu is going to tell you more about the registering and stuff like that. You feel me? So fam, in the next video we're going to talk about how to register. I'm going to show you guys how to register and all this stuff. And you already saw the VIP signals are winning. I've been quiet, matter. We've been winning. That's why. So the point of this video is that I've been quiet, I know, but I've been working on some things, and also the signals have been winning. So besides that, I don't think we can really complain about anything else, except that I missed y'all. I miss y'all a lot, and I love each and every one of y'all. Run up this video. Let's get a K views. I know you guys can do 1,000 views like this, and the likes. I mean, if you can give me 300 likes, guys, I'll appreciate it a lot, right? So it's your boy Vussy Magz on the building. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.